I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fall Guys with friends on the same PlayStation. First, make sure everyone playing has a PlayStation account and the Fall Guys game installed on your console. Next, connect all the extra controllers you'll be using to your PlayStation. Once everything is connected, simply launch Fall Guys from your PlayStation's main menu. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your gaming session. After launching the game, you'll need to form your party. Head over to the Party or Friends menu, usually found on the main screen. From there, select Invite Players to send game invitations to your friends. They will then receive a notification on their PlayStation, which they can accept to join your lobby. It's a straightforward process to get everyone together. Once your party is formed, the party leader can choose the game mode. Fall Guys offers various modes, and most support parties of up to 4 players, perfect for a small group. Keep an eye out for special events, as these sometimes allow for larger groups to play together. Always check the mode description to confirm party size limits before starting. If you encounter any issues, first verify that all players have a stable internet connection. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or even your PlayStation console can resolve connection problems. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers that make meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Enjoy your Fall Guys sessions with friends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.